Did you see that? Let's watch it again in slow motion. It was a hawk. Will the mother penguin be successful in rescuing her baby? Some birds are very smart and they attack their prey in surprising and unexpected ways. Keep watching for amazing moments not shown in documentaries. Now we will see 10 most amazing bird attacks caught on camera. 1. Stork. Storks make the most brutal attack among birds. This is very brutal because it throws its own baby out of the nest. This may sound brutal, but there is an explanation. When there is insufficient food, storks kill the weak baby for the other baby to survive. Number 2. Eagle. Incredible reflexes and excellent flight ability. Two eagles are chasing the heron, and the heron is trying to escape by diving into the water. Unfortunately, the eagle dipped it into the water with its talons. One of the largest and wildest birds in the world. Eagles take heavy prey high and drop them down. It is a painless and sudden death for them. Number 3. Pelican. They can eat anything with their huge mouths. Pelican is trying to devour the pigeon it caught. The pigeon tries to escape but fails. Pigeon is still trying to escape even after being swallowed. Another video, pelican is trying to eat a duck. It will also be dissolved by stomach acid after a while. Pelicans have incredibly strong jaws and their prey cannot escape it. Curious cat avoids being eaten by pelican at the last moment. An incredible thing happens while the pelican is hunting. A snapping turtle grabs him by the mouth.
Oh my goodness!
The pelican's mouth becomes a strainer and manages to escape. Pelican learned not to try to eat everything. Number 4. Falcon. The falcon is best known for its diving speed during flight, which can reach more than 300 km/h, making it not only the world's fastest bird, but also the world's fastest animal. It makes very hard landings on the neck of its prey, breaking them and can catch prey larger than itself. When it catches its prey, it puts its sharp claws on it and doesn't let go until it dies. Number 5. Seagull. These birds are not as innocent as they seem. These birds, which are carnivorous, are quite ferocious. The predator seagull steals the duck's baby and eats it with pleasure. Mother duck can't help it. Number 6. Heron. The heron is long-legged, long-necked, freshwater and coastal birds. Like pelicans, they swallow whatever they find whole, without chewing. You can see that the squirrel is still trying to escape. The rabbit, mouse, squirrel ingest whatever they find and kill them with their stomach acids. It really is a painful death for their prey. Number 7. Spewa. Penguins' nightmares are these birds. They have longish bills with a hooked tip and webbed feet with sharp claws. They look like large dark gulls. The Spewas are strong, acrobatic flyers. Spewa loves to steal penguins' baby and eat their chicks and eggs. Two birds attack and distract the penguin at the same time. The other bird steals the baby and they eat it mercilessly. There is nothing the mother penguin can do. Number 8. Owl. In the middle of the night, owl sneaks into a hawk's nest and steals its baby. And after a while, he comes back again and tries to steal the other baby. They are not afraid of attacking their bigger opponents. Owls can see very well at night and can turn their heads 360 degrees. They are very fearless, attacking eagles and birds larger than themselves. Number 9. Crow. Crows are commonly known as scavengers, but they are among the most intelligent birds in the world. It takes the baby and flies away, and the mother rabbit can't do anything. When the mother eagle isn't in the nest, it is a feast for the crows. He tries to torture and kill the baby eagles. If the babies haven't hatched, crow will eat all the eggs with pleasure. You can see the crows in all the bird fights. They do nothing but make a mess. Number 10. Giant petrel. These birds, which are the scourge of penguins, are a type of seagull. Separating newborn penguin chicks from their mother, he takes and eats them. On land, penguins are powerless and unable to protect their young against these birds. Giant petrel steals the unprotected baby and eats it alive. Thanks for watching. I'm Blondie Fox. Subscribe our channel for